folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to...
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
That's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good.
I need to get up there. Finish up here and join us on board.
All right, get on that train. Hey!
Bastard! All yours, Captain. Well, go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable. Stop. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
I ain't got nothing.
You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
What's the problem here? Money, valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on.
Okay.
In the bag,
God
everything you
damn
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
What? God damn it.
Oh, God.
Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Thank you. Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
You boys need me.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why are
that?
you wasting our time?
You sure, you son of a bitch? We ain't playing around here.
Don't help me.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Money now! You son of a bitch.
Come on, cuff it up, people. Don't be shy.
This is unnecessary.
Everything you got. Let's go. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks move a muscle. You hear me?
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up! This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Some decent stuff.
I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me. These folks are rich, all right.
All right, we should probably be going now. Come on, we should get out of here.
We'll take that.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now!
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Man, my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
We won't tell you again. Come out now with your hands up. Last chance. Drop your weapon. There!
We got more coming from the trees there.
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses! We gotta go!
Let's go. Stay with me. Yeah.